I say? X, yeah, plus 2. Perfect. I like this. Okay. Now, you don't want to write this. So here's a couple mistakes. Students will do this. No, now you just turn it into a multiplication problem, right? Don't do that. And then some students will do this. No, you want to have this as plus a negative, okay? So, I mean, you can actually get away with this by factoring this one out. But what I like to prefer to do, what I would prefer doing is rather than write it like this, or that's a 2, write it like this. 2x cubed minus a 4x squared plus a negative x plus 2. All right, so write it as a binomial plus another binomial. Now, all you're simply going to do is factor out the GCF, okay? So you can see in these two components, they have a 2x squared. So I'll factor out a 2x squared. And that's going to leave me with a x minus 2. Now here, again, I want to try to get an x minus 2. So I'm going to factor out a negative 1. And that's going to leave me with a x minus 2. Now, again, you could say, where'd the plus go? Well, it's really plus a negative 1, which is really just minus 1, right? So that's why I got rid of the plus. Now, I want you to see what these two components have, right? Now I have a term minus another term, right? Or expression minus another expression. And what can we factor out? Well, we can factor out the common expression, x minus 2. And that's going to leave me left with a 2x squared minus 1. Okay? And therefore, that is factored in that case.